Would you guys lipat to Lasal after?
Hell no. Hell.
안녕하세요. Are you guys from Ateneo?
Yeah, from Senior High School.
Ateneo to DLSU next time.
Yes, sir.
Is Ateneo better than Lasal?
Yes.
You should walk from Ateneo to DLSU next time.
No, that's like near.
What's the best thing about Ateneo para sa?
Everyone here is nice and kind.
Are you guys senior high? Would you guys lipat to Lasal after?
Hell no.
Oh my god.
No bro, we just look like them bro.
Yeah, we just look like them, but
What's your message to Lasalians bro watching?
I do not hate you. I love you guys. Just be chill. I got you.
Ateneo or DLSU?
DLSU.
Are you a musician?
Sir.
Stream my songs, get Neko bro. Thank you. What's your advice para sa mga single this Valentine's?
Ano single eh? Have fun.
Aral ba muna?
Siyempre, aral muna. Kasi, importante po yan. Kahit single, kahit taken, aral po talaga. Punta po kayo sa The Rift, isang thrift store. Meron kang kayo dyan. Gratis. Yan.
Appreciate guys.
I'm from UST.
UST Ateneo Lasal. We're very diverse guys. Where should we walk next bro?
DLSU to Baguio.
Kasama kayo. Are you a teacher sa Ateneo?
Oo, teacher.
Ano po yung tinuturo?
Filipino.
Nagtuturo po ba kayo paano magmahal ng tamang tao?
Sakto Valentine's Day. Oo. Kung paano yung tamang pagmamahal. Pagmamahal para sa bayan. Yun lagi yung tinuturo namin.
Ano po yung biggest tips sa mga malungkot Valentine's mo? Parang ako.
Speaking from experience. Parang ikaw, malungkot ang Valentine's. Una, mahalin ang sarili. Para maging masaya.
Okay lang sir, kami na lang Valentine's mo.
Ay, tara, lakad lang.
lakad na lang.
Sige na tayo.